Fugia KCB FC mari na matanya ma kuhotana mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia mathako ma FKF Premier League kuria igathakirwo kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Police Sacco Stadium muthenya wa rũciũ. Munini wa Nyabara Elvis Ayani augĩte atĩ meharĩria maya nĩ ma mwanya kuona atĩ athaki nĩ manyitĩte kana nĩ menyitĩtie mũkwa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ mena ũma atĩ nĩ makahota timu ya Police FC.
Timu yangu tumejiandaa poa sana na tuko ready kwa game ya kesho. Police timu ngumu, tunazali same na believe tu pia sisi as in timu yangu na kila mtu taking bench, kila mtu tuna believe tuko ready na ndio time tumekuwa tukingoja. At least tuko na believe kesho tutapeana our best na God willing tutatoka washindi.
Preparation so far have gone well. There's high morale in the team and hopefully we're going to get a good result tomorrow. We have worked on our finishing. It's only the last match we didn't score. Match we played against Bidco. But before Bidco match we were scoring goals. Bidco match was a little bit different because we had played Bidco previously. And having played a team and scored about 3 goals, then you play it again, back to back. It was a little bit difficult for our players. But against Police, hopefully we're going to do the things right. Then we got to have a positive result. Giving the boys, they just have to have confidence in themselves and everything is going to work.